we shall be learning a few new dhatu rupas in today's class. So I request all of you to pay complete attention to this, since these are some of the new things that we are learning in Dvitiya. As we all know, for any dhatu, we have various lakaras in which the forms exist. So far, up till the previous class or in Prathama, we had learned the Vartamana Kalaha. The Vartamana Kala or the present tense, which is the Lat Lakaraha. Now, we shall extend our learning of some of the dhatus that we have learned in Lat Lakara to the Bhutakala, which is the past tense. As you know, there are 10 lakaras in which the dhatus, the forms of the dhatus can come. And there are basically 3 lakaras which are used to denote the Bhutakala, to denote the past tense, of which now we are learning about Lang Lakara, which is in general called Anadyatana Bhutakalaha. Lang Lakaraha is called Anadyatana Bhutakalaha. Anadyatana means for whichever activity, for whichever task that happened a day before or beyond. That is, if we keep a timeline, say from midnight 12 to the next day midnight 12 is today, then whatever happened before yesterday night 12 will all be the Anadyatana Bhutakala. So it is just the terminology or the way we represent the day. If we want to keep it as Suryodaya to Suryodaya as one day, then whatever happened before the Suryodaya is actually will be Anadyatana, will be yesterday and before. So in such cases, we use this Bhutakala, and this is called Lang Lakaraha. We shall learn these forms today. Dhatri Bhagini, can you please repeat after me?
Mohodaya.
Gam dhatuhu bhutakalaha lang lakaraha.
Gam dhatuhu bhutakalaha lang lakaraha. Gam dhatuhu bhutakalaha lang lakaraha.
Agachat agachatam agachan.
Agachat agachatam agachan. Agachat agachatam agachan.
Agachaha agachatam agachata.
Agachaha agachatam agachata.
Agacham agachava agachama.
Agacham agachava agachama. Agacham agachava agachama.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. So please focus on the Mahaprana Ucharanam. Cha is a Mahaprana here, and it's also a Sanyuktakshanam. Cha and Cha, both of them are there. Agachat, agachatam, agachan. Okay. Now, I will call out one more student to tell the forms of the Lat Lakara of the same Dhatu, and then we can see some of the similarities or the differences between the Lat and the Lang, and so that we'll be able to understand it better. Amita Bhargava, can you recollect the Lat Lakara forms of the same Dhatu? Gam Dhatuhu Lakaraha Gachati, yes.
Gachati, Gachataha, Gachanti, Gachasi, Gachataha, Gachatha, Gachami, Gachavaha, Gachamaha.
Gachamaha. Very good. So now, if you see the characteristic or the one differentiating factor from Lat Lakara to Lang Lakara, if you see, it is the first thing that everyone can notice immediately is the prefix of Akara. A is added to each of these forms. Agachat, agachatam, agachan. Agachaha, agachatam, agachata, agacham, agachava, agachama. Okay. So this is one thing which will tell us that this is Lang Lakaraha. So wherever we see similar to Gachati, now we will see one more maybe as this basic, giving this as a template, we'll try to tell for pathati. Pathati, it becomes apathat, apathatam, apathan. Okay, I'll call one more student, Sunil Bhargava. So I think, can you tell the forms apathat, apathatam, apathan for the
apathat, apathatam, apathan, apatha, apathatam, apathat, apatham, apatav, apatava, apatama.
Okay, dhanyawadaha. So one thing that we should notice also and keep in mind is we don't have to give a pause after agachat, agachat, apathat. We don't have to split it that way. Okay, it is one word. Apathat is one word, agachat is one word. Okay, so as and when we practice, we'll be able to get them correctly. So now if you see, just to draw some similarities and where there is a change, one I have already told, which is akara, addition of an akara for all the forms. Now gacchati, gacchataha, gacchanti, gacchati and agachat, that ending ikara, gacchati, ikara is removed. Same way, gacchanti, here agachan, that ending ikara, t is removed. So you can draw some similarities from the known forms, that is from the Latlakara forms, but not always these kind of observations will work for each and every dhatu and each and every form. It is just for our understanding, just to see if we can remember it better. Okay, so please practice these forms, the Langlakara forms for Gam dhatu. We'll go to one more dhatu now. Dhanyawadaha, Sunil Bhargava, Bhagini and Amita Bhargava. We'll go to the next dhatu, which we had learned asti staha santi. So for that dhatu, let us learn the Langlakara forms. Praveen Kulkarni Mohodaya, I request if the students have got a chance, please lower your hands so that I can call out the other students' names. Okay, please repeat after me. Asdhatuhu bhutakalaha langlakaraha.
असधातुः भूतकालः लङ्लकारः
Asit astam asan.
आसीत् अस्ताम् आसन्
Asihi astam asta.
आसीः अस्तं आस्त
Astam, there is a dirgha. Okay, asihi astam asta.
आसीः अस्तं आस्त
Asam asva asma.
आसम् आस्व आस्म.
Uttamam, dhanyawadaha. Now again I will ask one more student to tell the forms of the Latlakara. Jyotilakshmi Bhagini, can you please tell the forms of Latlakara for the same dhatu, asthatuhu?
आं महोदय नमस्ते.
Namaste.
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति असि स्थः स्थ अस्मि स्वः स्मः.
Uttamam. Now I want you to tell the forms of this asthatuhu langlakaraha along with the pronouns. We will tell a few, we will use saha, sahataute, then for madhyama purusha tvam yuvam yuyam, and for uttama purusha aham avam vayam. Okay, tell along with that. Saha asit, tau astam, etc. Can you try?
सः आसीत् तौ आस्तां ते आसन् त्वम् आसीः युवाम् आस्तं यूयम् आस्त अहम् आसम् आवाम् आस्व वयम् आस्म.
Very good, Uttamam. Now, if we still observe further the similarities or dissimilarities between the Latlakara to this Langlakara, the things that stand out again are in the Uttama Purusha, there it was Asmi, Swaha, Smaha. Similarly, Gacchami, Gacchavaha, Gacchamaha. But here it is just Asam, Asva, Asma. Okay, Swa, Sma. So there is no Visarga here. Even in the Gam Dhatu also, it is the same thing. And similarly, in Madhyama Purusha, in Latlakara, we have Mahaprana that comes in. Gacchasi, Gachathaha, Gachatha. Here, There's no Mahaprana. It is Alpa Prana only. Astam, asta. Okay. So similarly, Agacchatam, agacchata. Okay. So these are some of the points that we can observe, and this will help us to remember these Shabdas better. Dhanyawadaha, Jyotilakshmi Bhagini. This is the Bhutakala of Asthatuhu. So this means to say to be. So Saha Asit, he was there. He was there here yesterday. He had come here yesterday. Saha Atra Agacchata. So these things we can use. We'll proceed to the next Dhatu. One Dhatu from the Atmanepadi. Padmanarayan Bhagini, can you please repeat after me? Labhadhatuhu Bhutakalaha Langlakaraha.
लभधातुः भूतकालः लङ्लकारः
Alabhata Alabhetam Alabhanta.
अलभत अलभेताम् अलभन्त
Alabhathaha Alabhetam Alabhadhvam.
अलभताः अलभेताम् अलभध्वम्
Alabhe Alabhavahi Alabhamahi.
अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि
Uttamam. Shanta Bhagini, can you please tell the Latlakara forms of the same Dhatu?
लघुधातु वर्तमानकालः लट्लकारः लभति लभतः लभन्ति
No.
Labhasi.
This is Atmanepadi Dhatu. So it will be Labhate, Labhete.
लभते लभेदे लभन्ते लभसे लभेते लभत्वे लभे लभावहे लभामहे.
Very good. So the first two dhatus that we saw, Gam Dhatuhu and As Dhatuhu, were Parasmaipadi. And now we are seeing one Atmanepadi Dhatu, which is Labha Dhatu. So even here also, if you see the similarities from Latlakara to Langlakara, you can find out some places where you can observe some of the changes that are there. In Latlakara, it ends with A always. Labhate, Labhete, Labhante. So Ekara is removed. Okay. Alabhata, Alabhetam, Alabhanta. Similarly, you can see something very specific to Atmanepadi, which is Dhva. Okay. So Labhadve was there. Here Labhatvam, Alabhatvam. Here also, for every form, the Akara is there in the Langlakara. So these are some of the observations that we can make and keep in mind so that we will be able to learn these forms well. Astu, Dhanyawadaha, Shanta Bhagini and Karma Bhagini will proceed further. So please remember these forms and practice them. I will recite once again for this Dhatu. Labhadhatuhu Bhutakalaha Langlakaraha Alabhata Alabhetam Alabhanta Alabhathaha Alabhetam Alabhadhvam Alabhe Alabhavahi Alabhamahi. Okay.